BMX bikes remain one of the most versatile formats in the bike world, blurring the lines between entry-level trick machines and durable, everyday riders. For buyers, the key considerations are wheel size versatility, frame construction, crank and drivetrain quality, braking performance, and overall value for money across sizes suitable for kids, teens, and adults.
List number 1. Mongoose Legion L10 BMX Bike. The Mongoose Legion L10 targets beginners with the standard 20-inch wheel setup and a high 10 steel frame designed for durability. Available colorways and a range of sizes, 16 inches, 18, and 20, suggest intentional scalability for younger riders progressing to larger wheels. The drivetrain is a single speed with a forged steel 170mm crank and a 25T chainring, paired with 36H aluminum rims and a front 9T cassette rear hub, which delivers reliable, low-maintenance performance. The inclusion of a steel U-brake and alloy/resin levers aligns with cost-effective, predictable braking suitable for learning park and street lines. Prospective buyers should note the 5-year frame warranty and 1-year parts warranty that mitigate the risk of early failures in entry-level use. Performance-wise, the Legion L10 prioritizes stability and forgiveness for new riders, with a rigid fork and high 10 handling that emphasizes straightforward maintenance over featherweight performance. The 20-inch wheel size is ideal for riders in the 4'4" to 5'0" range, offering predictable geometry for basic tricks and controlled deceleration. For everyday riding, the bike handles daily commutes to the skate park with adequate stiffness, though its high-10 steel construction adds weight and may feel less responsive during aggressive grinds or high-speed sessions compared with higher-grade alloys. Overall, it's a solid first BMX that emphasizes reliability and ease of maintenance over the latest performance tech.
List number 2. Trident Bicycles 2024 26-inch BMX race bike for beginner level to advanced riders with 2 pegs. The Kupsala Trident line is a versatile race-styled BMX with high 10 steel frames and 24 26-inch wheel options designed to scale with rider height from roughly 4 feet to 6 feet 2. It features a linear pull V-brake on the rear and a generally affordable 1-speed setup. The 85% pre-assembled claim, free pedals, and included assembly tools reduce setup friction, which is valuable for first-time buyers or families purchasing multiple sizes for growing riders. The presence of 20-inch wheels makes it ideal for younger riders transitioning into more technical lines, while larger wheels suit bigger riders seeking a longer wheelbase for stability during flats and beginner tricks. In practice, the Trident is designed for value-oriented performance. The 20-inch model suits riders around 4 feet to 6 feet 2, and the 26-inch version expands the reach for teens and adults seeking a more mature ride feel without stepping into a high-end race frame. Braking is straightforward with the rear V-brake, though front brake integration and overall stopping power will depend on pad choice and wheel setup. The 20, 24, 26-inch sizing philosophy supports a family purchase with multiple riders sharing a single frame family while still delivering a distinct ride experience per size. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't entirely skimp on BMX aesthetics and race-inspired visuals.
List number 3. 2024 26-inch BMX race bike, Trident Bicycles, beginner level to advanced riders with 2 pegs. This listing mirrors the previous Kupsala Trident set with identical framing, braking, and assembly attributes, offering a repeat option within the same product family. The price range again spans $159.99 to $289.99, suggesting seasonal or color-based pricing dynamics that could impact purchase timing. The duplication confirms the model's broad sizing strategy and its appeal as a budget-friendly entry for families building out multiple rider setups across ages and heights. From a utilization standpoint, the Trident line's strength lies in its versatility and affordability across wheel sizes, which is ideal for households with riders at different growth stages. However, customers should verify exact frame material terminology, high 10 versus carbon steel labeling, and confirm included components at checkout, given the wide price range and potential variance between SKU configurations. The bike remains a practical option for beginners, prioritizing value and ease of assembly over race-grade components.
List number 4. Elite Bmx Bicycle 18-inch. The Elite Bmx Premium model offers 18-inch, 20-inch, and 26-inch wheel options, with a reinforced alloy steel frame and a 3-piece chromo crankset as standard. The 20-inch size is suitable for riders roughly 4 feet to 5'10", making it a flexible choice for teens transitioning to adult riding. The bike includes a sturdy saddle with a padded branded cover and a 25.4mm alloy seat post, paired with a 28.6mm seat clamp. The 1-year warranty on frame and fork adds protection against mid-range frame issues, and the bike's main draw is its emphasis on trick-ready durability and a robust crankset that supports higher stress routines in freestyle sessions. User experience on the Elite Premium line centers on confidence during park and street sessions. The chromo 3-piece crankset improves stiffness and resists flex during peg grabs, spins, and bunny hops, enhancing energy transfer and precision. The alloy frame and reinforced tubing translate to a slightly stiffer ride with reduced deflection during landings. However, price sits at a premium point within the mid-range market, so buyers should weigh the benefit of the crankset upgrade against weight and potential maintenance costs. Overall, this model targets riders who want longer-term upgradability and a more pro-grade component set without entering full professional tier pricing.
List number 5. Elite Bmx Freestyle Bike. The Elite Bmx Stealth Peewee is a budget-friendly 20-inch model designed for teen and adult riders, with 16-inch and 18-inch smaller sizes also listed for younger riders. It uses a high-tensile steel frame and a 20-inch wheel configuration with 2.4-inch tires. The bike ships with pegs included and a 1-year frame fork warranty, making it a compelling value option for beginners who want to learn basics and try basic park lines without a large upfront investment. The model's labeling notes a 3-piece crank in stealth versions, though some listings emphasize a 9T driver, indicating potential variations by SKU. Ride quality on the Stealth Peewee prioritizes ease of maintenance and durability. The steel frame ensures resilience against casual crashes and tricks, while 2.4-inch tires offer a stable contact patch for flat land and street riding. The bike's affordability comes with trade-offs in weight and component finesse, so advanced riders or those seeking high-precision trick performance may outgrow this model quickly. Its pegged configuration is useful for basic park lines, and a 1-year warranty helps protect against manufacturing defects during the first year of ownership.